Hello, so this is Project 3, and this is the revision of Project 1. So here is the overall look of Project 3. Here is the YouTube video that I revised, the title, and the description. So I'm going to go back to Project 1 real quick. The peer review that I received was that they enjoyed the graphic design of Project 1. And they also stated that they liked the introduction that I provided for occupational therapy. So here is the video that I revised. This will be revised and posted in Project 3. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video and to show you the few modifications that I made. Let me tilt this here a bit, and I'm going to push play. So right here is the title of Project 3. And here is the first textual description. I received feedback from my instructor to include textual descriptions in the video. So here is the second textual description. So the whole point of the textual description was to provide a further explanation of the objectives a occupational therapist might have for the child or for their patient. And so with objectives in mind, they want to provide an activity or observe a reaction or observe how the child patient responds with an objective in mind in an activity. So I'm going to go a little forward here. At the very end, I also included an ending for the video, and I thought this was a great quote to include here. So overall, I enjoyed making the revision of Project 1, and I hope you guys also enjoy it. Thank you.